Are you ready to add another secret weapon to your arsenal, your home slaying arsenal? I want to teach you how to make your own cleaning solution, stripping. These are orange peels that I put in this jar. I added vinegar, and it's been marinating and soaking for about 2 weeks. And I wrote on my calendar when it was time to process it. And this is going to be a great natural cleaner. So I have my vinegar in here, and I'm going to drain the oranges out, and it smells delicious. Give them a little squeezy poo. Okay. So then we've got about, oh, it smells so good, 2/3 of a cup of orange peels and vinegar. And I'm going to add some water to that. To probably just make it about 1.3 cups total. All right, so I've got the vinegar and orange and water, and it smells great. And I thought I needed a big container, which I still might, but I'm going to put it right in my spray bottle. And of course, so it's in my spray bottle. I just want to feel this, if it feels sticky or anything. No, and it smells so good. And I don't have to use chemicals. The next thing we have to do is mark it as a cleaner. I wrote orange cleaner, and I would know. And most importantly, I'll probably just keep this in my kitchen, labeled, of course, and I'll keep it in my appliance garage so that I can just grab it, spray with it. But here we have our non-toxic orange cleaner. So one thing at a time, making our way to being more and more frugal, and I love it. So this helps us keep harsh chemicals out of our homes, and it works. So I wouldn't be showing it to you if it didn't work. So on our way to saving money and making things happen. Thank you for joining. Ciao for now.